Hi everyone. Are you trying to figure out how to protect your PDF document with a password, like the one I'm showing you right now? If you are, then you're watching the right video. Because in this tutorial, I'm going to show you not only how to password protect a PDF document, but also how to remove the password if you want to. For this tutorial, I'm going to use PDFGear, a free open source PDF editor which you can download from this website. Alright, so to protect a PDF document with a password, first open the document with PDFGear. On the PDFGear menu bar, click Tools, and then Password. On the Set Password dialog, type the desired password twice. Then click OK, or simply press Enter on the keyboard. A pop-up dialog reminding you that the security settings will not be applied until you save the document will appear on your screen. Simply click OK to close the dialog, and then click the Save Document button on the standard toolbar as per the earlier reminder. Now close the document, and then reopen it to see the result. So as you can see here, the document is now password protected. Alright, now should you want to remove the password, click Tools on the menu bar, and then click Remove. Click Yes on the confirmation dialog, and then click the Save Document button on the toolbar. Now if we close the document and reopen it, it will no longer be password protected. Alright, so that's how easy it is to protect a PDF document with a password using PDFGear. I hope you find this quick tutorial useful, and thank you for watching.